What if I told you that the person serving you at the checkout counter, or even your delivery driver, is already on a countdown to being replaced? It is not just about efficiency. It is a calculated, silent replacement that is happening right before our eyes. Today, we are uncovering how the companies you rely on every day are trading human lives for machine efficiency, and why your job might be the next target for the algorithm. We see the convenience every day: faster checkouts, automated warehouses, and instant tracking. But look closer. Behind this seamless, magical experience, companies are not just innovating. They are building an infrastructure that fundamentally does not need you. They are replacing costly, unpredictable humans with cold, precise machines to squeeze every cent of profit out of their operations. Think about it. Machines do not need lunch breaks. They do not demand raises. They do not get sick. And they never get tired. By using predictive AI and autonomous systems, these corporate giants are creating a massive moat around their business. This is not just about cutting costs for the sake of the bottom line. It is about ensuring that no competitor and no human worker can ever challenge their total grip on the market again. They are effectively engineering a world where the human element is viewed as a liability rather than an asset. Every single click you make, every order you place, and every delivery you track is actually a data point that trains the machine to manage the supply chain without you. These giants are obsessed with building systems that are resilient against global instability, but that resilience is being paid for by the people who are quietly being pushed out of the workforce. They are creating capital-intensive machines that thrive on fewer humans and more data. We have reached a critical point in the history of labor. The question is no longer whether they will replace human labor, but what happens to all of us when the cost of a human becomes significantly higher than the cost of a machine. This automation is not just the future. It is the reality of our present. It is happening in logistics, in retail, and in manufacturing. Is this the future you wanted? Is this level of convenience actually worth the cost of disappearing jobs? Or is it time we started demanding real transparency from the massive corporate giants that are controlling our lives behind the scenes? I want to hear your take on this, so let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to keep peeling back the layers of this corporate world, make sure to subscribe to Strategy Sphere. We are just getting started. See you in the next one.